In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack Huddle. If you've ever needed a quick, lightweight way to talk things through without scheduling a full meeting, huddles are perfect. They're audio-first conversations that live right inside Slack, so you can jump in, share context from your messages, and wrap up fast. Start by opening Slack. From the main workspace, look for the option to create something new. You'll see a plus button labeled Create New. Click that, and from the menu that appears, choose Huddle. This is the fastest way to spin up a new conversation without leaving the flow of your work. Next, click Start a Huddle. Slack will guide you to pick where the huddle should live. Use the search bar labeled Search by Name to find who or where you want to meet. You can filter by people if you want a one-on-one conversation, or switch to channels if you'd prefer to host the huddle in a team space. Choosing a channel is handy when your topic affects a group, because everyone in that channel will see there's an active huddle and can join if they need to. Go ahead and pick the person or channel you want to use. Depending on your plan, you might see a note explaining that huddles with more than 2 people are a paid feature. If that pops up and you're not ready to upgrade, click Cancel to move back without starting a multi-person call. You can still use huddles for one-on-one conversations on the free plan, or start in a channel where people can follow along in chat. When you're ready, click Start a Huddle again to launch it. A small pop-up will appear with your call controls. Take a moment to check that your microphone, video, and speakers are all working the way you expect. You'll see indicators that confirm your mic is picking up sound and a preview if you decide to turn on video. If your audio sounds off, try selecting a different input or output device from the call controls. Keep your mic muted when you're not speaking to reduce background noise, and unmute to jump into the conversation. When you're done, end the call with the red button. That closes the huddle for you and helps keep your workspace tidy. There's also a second, equally simple way to start a huddle from right inside a channel. Open the channel where you want the discussion to happen. At the top of that channel, you'll see a small headphone icon, the huddle button. Click it to open the huddle controls for that channel. If there's a small arrow next to it, click the arrow to display more options. Then choose Start Huddle. This starts an audio space directly attached to the channel, so anyone who's a member of that channel can see the huddle is active and join if they need to weigh in. Once the huddle is running, you can copy the huddle link to make inviting others even faster. Look for the option that says Copy Huddle Link. Click it, then paste that link into a direct message or the channel chat to bring the right people in quickly. This is especially useful if someone is joining from another device or if you want to share the huddle in a related thread. Keep in mind, participants still need the right Slack permissions to join, and plan limits may apply to the number of people who can participate. And that's it. You've learned 2 smooth ways to use Slack Huddle, creating one from the new menu and spinning one up directly from a channel. Use huddles for quick check-ins, clarifying questions, or fast decision-making, and remember to end the call with the red button when you're finished. Thanks for watching, and enjoy faster, clearer teamwork with Slack Huddles.